So our next topic is how to code headings and paragraphs. So what are headings? HTML headings are titles or subtitles that you want to display on a web page. HTML headings are defined with the h1 to h6 tags. I'll show you an example. So in the body section you can see that I have included 6 heading tags from h1 to h6. H1 defines the most important heading and H6 defines the least important heading. Headings are important. Search engines use the headings to index the structure and content of your web pages. Users often scheme a page by its headings. It is important to use headings to show the document structure. H1 headings should be used for main headings followed by H2 headings, then the less important H3 and so on. Use HTML headings for headings only. Don't use headings to make text big or bold. Each HTML heading has a default size. However, you can specify the size of any heading with the style attribute using the CSS font size property. Now on the browser, this web page is going to look like this with the 6 headings. Then we have how to code paragraphs. The HTML P element defines a paragraph. A paragraph always starts on a new line and browsers automatically add some white space before and after a paragraph. You cannot be sure how HTML will be displayed. Large or small screens and resized windows will create different results. With HTML, you cannot change the display by adding extra spaces or extra lines in your HTML code. The browser will automatically remove any extra spaces and lines when the page is displayed. You can add a paragraph in your HTML file by following this syntax. So after the 6 headings, I will add one paragraph with the P tag. I am writing this is a paragraph inside the P opening and the P closing tag. I'll save this file and go to the browser and refresh my page. So you can see that after the 6 headings, my paragraph will appear. So this is how you can add a paragraph in your HTML file. So I hope you have learned how to code headings and paragraph in an HTML file. Thank you.